In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello board. Whether you're new to Trello or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide that will help you set up a brand new board in no time. So, let's jump right in. Once you're logged into Trello and are on the home page, directing your attention to the top of the page, you'll notice a Create button situated conveniently next to the Trello search bar. This is your starting point for bringing new ideas or projects to life. Give that button a click, and you'll be presented with several options. The one we're interested in today is labeled Create Board. Optionally, you could also select Start with a Template, if you prefer to build your board using a pre-designed framework, but let's explore how to create it from scratch. Next up, you'll need to give your new board a name. This name should be something descriptive that reflects the purpose or project it will be used for. Anything that helps you identify it at a glance. Whether it's a personal task list or a complex work project, naming it appropriately helps keep everything organized. Then, you'll want to set the visibility settings. This is an important step as it determines who can see your board. You can choose from three options here: private, which restricts access to you and those you specifically invite; anyone in the workspace, meaning any member of your Trello workspace can view it; or public, making it accessible to everyone on the web. Choose whichever visibility setting suits your needs best. It's always a good idea to consider who needs access when working as part of a team, or whether it contains sensitive information that should stay private. Once you've decided on these crucial elements, the final action is incredibly simple. Just click the Create button. And there you have it. Your brand new Trello board is ready to be customized and populated with lists and cards to suit your needs. This easy process opens up the opportunity for you to start organizing tasks, collaborating with team members, or keeping track of personal projects with Trello's flexible and intuitive platform. Remember, you can always go back and adjust your settings or rename your board if needed, giving you full control over your workspace. That's all there is to it. A few clicks, and you're ready to begin organizing and planning to your heart's content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now confident in creating your own Trello boards. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.